Hello, Georgia's people. Welcome to very first episode podcast Snack Talk. Let's check it out. In this very first episode podcast, we have topic to talk about plastic shall be banned. That sounds simple, but actually has a big impact. What do you think? Should plastic be banned or not? Of course, I'm not alone today. I've invited three amazing guests. Who is this? First, I have Diana. She's from 11 RPL 1. She's also active in organization.
Hi everyone, Diana's here.
Next, there's Daryl from 11 RPL 1.
Hi everyone, my name is Daryl.
And last but not least, we have Lutfi from 11 RPL 1.
Hello everyone, my name is Lutfi.
Okay, now you know who the guests. Let's get started. So, Diana, what's your opinion about banning plastic?
Alright, in my personal opinion, use plastic should be stopped because if we look on the global data, our country is the second largest plastic waste in this world. And of course, much of the waste itself is plastic waste. For a better future, we should go back to the era when plastic rarely used.
Good point, Diana. So, Daryl, what's your opinion?
To be honest, our use of plastic bags is poisoning our planet. People are full of plastic bottle, bags, snacks, also swinging better waste and causing floods. This water end up in the ocean, killing marine animals and turning into microplastic that enter our food. Recycling and alone is no longer enough. Plastic is winning products better that we can recycling it, so banning single-use plastic is the only real way to stop heat damage.
That's a strong statement. And now, what about you, Lutfi?
In agreement and partly not. Plastic waste cause many danger, like microplastic pollution and floods. Indonesia alone produce around 7.8 millions of plastic waste every year. However, from another point of view, plastic is very useful for many people. It's cheap, strong, and flexible, especially for small business. If we suddenly ban plastic, it should hurt them. So instead of rushing the ban, we should focus on creating affordable and eco-friendly alternative.
Wow, those are some really interesting opinion. I can see that everyone here has their interesting perspective, and that's what makes me this talk about plastic should be banned very exciting. That's a good point actually. So, what do you think could the best solution for this problem? Should plastic be banned or on educating people to use it very wisely?
I think both education is important, but if the government doesn't make strong rules, people just using plastic like nothing happened.
Education helps, but I would think much unless the government will control plastic production.
I agree, but we should also make sure there are affordable alternatives. not everyone can afford reusable bags right away.
That's true. Change takes time, but small steps can make a big difference, like using tote bag, bringing your own bottle, or simply saying no plastic to straw. Alright, we've reached the end of our first episode. Thank you so much to our guests, Diana, Daryl, and Lutfi. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us today. And for you, our listeners, remember every time action counts. The planet won't change overnight, but it will change if we care enough to start. This has been Snake Talk. Stay aware, stay green, and see you in the next episode.